Okay, hello, it's Jonathan from GlamRocket, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a pixel text. Okay, so you're going to start with an image and make sure the background is white, and you're going to take a dark color, which is over there, and you're just going to fill it in like that. Okay, next you want to choose a pixel font. I'm going to use 04B24. And you want to bring your stroke down to 0. You want to bring your stroke down to 0, and then you want to make the anti-alias off and turn it off, and turn your size down to 6. Okay. You're going to enter your text. And you're going to then click OK. And make sure your selection is on, and then you're going to go to Selections, Modify, Expand, and then you're going to copy it, and then undo everything that you've done, and bring the image back to white. And then you're going to paste it as a new selection, and then expand it, and then paste it as a new image. Okay? I hope this tutorial helped.